Are you looking for the S drone under $50? In this video we will look at some of the S drone under $50 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GT8 Mini Drone. The GT8 drone is a marvel of technology, designed to capture stunning aerial footage with its dual 8K and 4K HD cameras. The brushless motors ensure powerful and efficient flight, while the GPS and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allow for precise navigation and real-time video streaming. With a maximum ascent speed of 16 meters per second and a flight time of up to 60 minutes, this drone is perfect for both novice and professional photographers looking to capture breathtaking shots from above. The GT8 drone stands out with its user-friendly features, including a 6-channel remote control for precise maneuverability and a foldable design for easy transportation. The drone's lightweight build, weighing just 300 g, ensures it can fly without restrictions, while the 18,000 m remote distance allows for expansive aerial exploration. The inclusion of dual cameras, capable of capturing 8K and 4K video, means you can switch between high-resolution footage and a wider field of view to capture every angle of your adventures. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking to capture the world from above, the GT8 drone is the perfect companion. Its lightweight design, combined with a robust 3.7V 1800 mAh battery, allows for extended flights and the ability to capture more footage. The drone's obstacle avoidance feature ensures safe flights, while its 150 degrees angle of view captures breathtaking landscapes. With the GT8 drone, you can embark on epic aerial journeys without worry, thanks to its robust brushless motors and advanced GPS capabilities. Number 2. ZFR E55 Drone. Foldable drone design allows for easy storage and transportation, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. One key start, altitude hold, and 360 degrees flip functions make this drone easy to operate, even for first-time pilots. Comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 28 minutes of combined flight time for uninterrupted fun. Allowing for easy operation and live HD video playback, perfect for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The Alecci E55 Air drone comes with all-round protection for the flight paddles, ensuring durability during crashes, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. Number 3. Genuine V988 Drone. Front wide-angle HD Wi-Fi lens, equipped with optical flow positioning HD lens at the bottom. The servo gimbal design improves stability, and adds EIS electronic image stabilization to make the shooting clearer. The remote control comes with a HD display, a 5.6-inch large screen, and lossless HD image transmission. Long-lasting 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, with a battery life of about 20 minutes. Custom route: you can draw the image you want to fly on the application. Intelligent tracking, surround flight, handheld control, real-time map positioning of drones, out-of-control map planning routes, app mobile phone control, one-key return, headless mode, rise and fall, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long battery life. Equipped with obstacle avoidance gimbal, it can automatically stop flying when encountering obstacles, and will not collide with obstacles.